ready to collect money sent to you with Worldremit. Let's dive into the different ways you can effortlessly receive your funds. Worldremit offers a variety of convenient options, ensuring you get your money quickly and securely. First, consider the most common method: bank deposit. The sender provides your bank details when setting up the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, the money is deposited directly into your bank account, usually within minutes or a few hours, ready to use. Next, if you live in a country that supports it, mobile money transfers are also a great option. Instead of the bank account number, the sender enters your mobile money account details. The money is then credited to your mobile money wallet, ready for you to use. The speed of delivery varies depending on the destination country and the chosen payout method, but many transfers arrive within minutes. Finally, you may have a cash pickup option. The Worldremit sender can choose to send money to a cash pickup location, such as a bank or a designated agent. You'll receive a confirmation code or reference number. Just go to a local cash pickup location, show your ID and the reference number the sender provides, and collect your money. So, whether you prefer bank deposits, the ease of mobile money, or the convenience of cash pickup, Worldremit provides several ways for you to receive your money fast. Remember to always keep your information secure and enjoy your funds.